So now I will talk about difference between below, under, beneath, underneath. The word under is the most common. It's usually used for three-dimensional objects. Number one, I found my textbook under the bed. Number two, the cat is lying under the table. Number three, the papers are under that magazine. So, under can be used both when the objects are touching, as in the papers and magazines, and when the objects are not touching, as in the cat and table. You can also use under with numbers to mean less than. He ran a marathon in under 4 hours is equal to less than 4 hours. We are looking to buy a house that's under $1 lakh is equal to less than $1 lakh. The word below is often used when describing levels or limits. For example, the people who live in the apartment below mine are so loud. The price of gas dropped below $3 a gallon. Temperatures will be below freezing tonight. It's also used to describe something on a lower position on a page. For example, the map below shows the crime rates in the US. If you enjoyed this post, leave a comment below. Beneath and underneath are just more formal words for under. The sailors had no idea that they were dangerous rocks underneath the surface of the water. We sat on the beach and enjoyed a wonderful day beneath the clear blue sky. That's it. Thank you so much.